Okay, so let me take as it is, so it will be save our time. Okay, so printf name as another name. Let's add to the another person name like Musa Kamara. Okay, Kamara. Okay, and maybe he pays the fees that is called 868, or let's consider as a something 10,000. Okay, so every people's having to the different fees obviously. Okay, so let's go over here. Now after I want to be add again back your breakdown, you can see because this condition when is satisfied, I want to be a stop over here. Are you getting? Now again I want to be right over here your another condition that is called case number 3. So you can add the lot of students how many you want. Okay, so I want your printing statement and I want to be your break statement. Okay, let's go over here. So we are going to be print that. Okay, so let me arrange properly. Okay, you can see right now this is my third condition, and in that third conditions I have the another person that is I want to be change the name like name is Kelly uh Carlo. Okay, Carlo. So this is name. Don't think about the name, whatever I'm writing. Just understand to the concept. He paid to the 90,000. Let's add to the another one person, like another one also. You can copy also if you want to be save the time. But as a beginner, I want you guys can able to write the things by your hand, so you can understand how exactly we are writing. Okay. So this is your number fourth. Okay. Over here, I want to be add to the another person. Let's add to the something another name that is called Jibrila. Okay, Jibrila, we can say Jibrila John. Okay, so basically let's add to the a name. You can see it is done right now. Even if you want to be change his particular fees, you can change that. Suppose he paid that 46,000. Okay, something right now. See, I have the case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. Are you getting? Let me control set case 4, case 5. And after, if suppose right now, if you can print to the 1, that is okay. Right now let me run also so you can understand how exactly it's work. See over here, if one person, if I'm calling, what is the name of that one person? Rohit Kadam, fees is the 65,000, right? So let's run this. You can check. Okay, so what happened over here? The switch student. Okay, so basically we need to be right over here. Okay, so thing is what we forgot the curly bracket. It should be the curly bracket over here, not your that your colon. See over here, I added over here your curly bracket and I close that curly bracket over here. So don't forget that and try to run that. Okay, you can see the number one person is the Rohit Kadam who having to the fees that is called your $65,000, right? If suppose I want to be checked to the third number, so I will be remove this number and I will be right over here number 3. Let's run this and you can see over here the number 3 will be a call, and number 3 who that the Cali colon that is a fees is a 90,000, isn't it? Right now the thing is what, see, if suppose I'm removing this break, now check it, and I'm again calling back your person number 1. Now what happened? It will be printing a first and second. Why the first and second? Because first we don't have over here break, and second having break, that's why it's not going to be a jump in your 3. So every each statement your break are important. If you are not putting break, then it will be jumping to the another statement. You can see I again wrote back my break and check it over here. You can see it's not going to be in the next statement. Now after this one, I want to be discuss the one thing also. If suppose I have a something number which one I don't have, like I don't have to the number 8 as a student, you can see. So what happened, which kind of output is showing? Let's check. Okay, it's take a time little bit, maybe my internet is slow. Oh, so end of the day, guys, what happened, if you're putting to the over here the 8, now the thing is what, it will be not showing anything, it will be showing to the blank one. Why the reason? Because we don't have the any one student who are belonging to the number as a 8. So what we can do simply, guys, we can do one thing, we can go to the down and add to the last we can say as a block that is we call as a default. You can see as per our theory we need to be add over here, what is that? We need to add over here default. Okay, so let me go over here and let me add over here okay, default. Okay, so default as a block we are adding, one second. DEFA. Okay, FA, okay, so spelling wrong, default, you can see it is going to be internet problem, not anything else. Okay, you can see default. After that, I want to be used to the over here, your colon, and then what you want to be a print. So I want to be a print over here, student, you can see, let me remove that. Student data is not exist, isn't it? So this is we have to the student data is not exist. Let's try. If suppose I'm putting to the number 8, so it will be showing me last output default one, that is we call as a student data is not exist. Okay, so after this one, what we can do, even right now I want to be take the input from user. I don't want to be write as a developer way every time your variable name. So what we can do, we need to be remove these things, add over here, that is called your scanf, isn't it? So add over here scanf. Okay, scanf. Then after take input from a user, so basically what input you want to be take, I want to be say that enter your, okay, enter your roll number. Okay, enter your roll number. So when I'm taking input from user, I want to be comma store inside of your student, right? So over here for store purpose, we are using and person, then again your student as a variable name. Okay, now let's check this. Okay, one second. The thing is what I did not return over here, that is your percentage. So let me say percentage d, because the digit I'm going to be a store inside of that. Let me start. Okay, one second. What is the problem? So when I'm taking to the input from student, I'm using to the scanf, enter your roll number, that is called percentage D, everything is right. Then after I'm whatever I'm taking, I'm storing inside of the student. So over here, I did not get to the anything. So maybe my scanf statement is wrong. So I'll do one thing. Let me check on the internet how to take input from user in not JavaScript, in your C programming language. C programming. Okay, enter button. Now let's check that. Simply we are using over here this stuff. Uh, how to take an input from user. Enter in C programming language. Okay, where is the scanf? And you can see. Okay, at the rate and scanf. Okay, we use everything. What is exactly the problem then? Hmm. Okay, I understand. So basically, I want to be write to the printing statement. I directly wrote to the scanf, right? So the thing is what over here, first I want to be add over here your printing statement. Okay, because I want to be show something to the user, what exactly they want to print, right? So they want to be these things like enter your uh, name. Okay, enter your a number. After that, whatever the number we have, that will be I want to be take a number from user first. You can see when you are taking a number from user, then that number you want to be a store, right? So let me remove these things. We don't want a percentage. Okay, this is only for display purpose. Basically what happened, previously I use like a Python programming language, you are taking input in one line only in printing statement. But as per the C programming language, you need to be write first your printing statement, what you want to print. I want to be take number from user, then after when I'm taking the number, I want to be store on in that particular and I want to be store in particular my student one. Okay, so let's see right over here percentage D, and that I want to be stored inside of your students. Right now it will be works. Let's check. Okay, still right now thing is what over here, enter your roll number, and what happened over here, students data is not exist, it's automatically coming, because of the reason we did not put over here the break condition. Okay, let me put over here the break and let me check again back.